In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome look better. If your browser feels a little dull or cluttered, a few quick tweaks can make it look fresh, modern, and easier on the eyes. I'll walk you through the most effective changes, keeping everything simple and practical. Let's start with the biggest visual upgrade, the theme. Open Chrome, head to Settings, then Appearance, and choose Theme. You can also open a new tab and click Customize Chrome. From here, explore colors or browse themes from the Chrome Web Store. Whether you like dark, neon, minimalist, or aesthetic designs, a theme immediately updates the look of your tabs, the toolbar, and the new tab background. If a theme feels too busy, pick something clean and neutral for a polished, distraction-free feel. Next, turn on dark mode for a cleaner look. Go to Settings, then Appearance, and choose Mode. Select Dark for an always dark interface, or choose Device Theme so Chrome follows your computer or phone's system setting. This is great for evening use and can make text stand out with better contrast. Now customize the new tab page. Open a new tab and click Customize Chrome in the corner. Choose a wallpaper you love, whether that's a solid color or a calming image. You can tidy the shortcuts too. Show your most visited sites for quick access or add your own custom shortcuts. If you prefer minimalism, remove shortcuts entirely and enjoy a clean slate every time you open a tab. Extensions can make Chrome feel more premium. Add only a few and pick with purpose. Dark Reader gives websites a consistent dark mode. Momentum replaces the new tab with a beautiful dashboard. An ad blocker cleans up pages, and a tab manager reduces clutter. Install trusted options and keep your list lean so Chrome stays fast and tidy. Clean up the toolbar to reduce visual noise. Right-click the toolbar and hide the bookmarks bar for a sleeker look. Pin only the extensions you actually use and remove anything that's just sitting there. The goal is to surface what matters and hide the rest. Finally, adjust fonts and zoom. In Settings under Appearance, open fonts and set sizes that are comfortable to read. Increasing the zoom slightly can make pages feel cleaner and more spacious without changing content. For a modern setup, use a dark theme, a minimal new tab page, no bookmarks bar, a clean wallpaper or momentum, and just a few pinned extensions. Enjoy your refreshed Chrome.